Welcome to my first ever official beauty room slash studio. Oh my gosh, guys. I have no freaking words how to describe the joy that I have in my soul over this space. My husband told me that he was gonna create a room just for me, for my own space, so I can finally just like have everything in one room, film whenever I want, and have like no interruptions, no noise, just have my own freaking space. So he completely built me this room from scratch, and I am so freaking thankful. I have been making YouTube videos for 4 years now, and I started off in a really small section of our bedroom, and then as my passion grew, he gave me more space. Like, we rearranged our bedroom so that I would have more space. And then, as many of you know, we moved into this house and there was enough space for all of us, including me getting my own freaking room. And I just like am so over the moon, and I'm like so excited to show you guys my space. I did give you guys a lot of sneak peeks on Instagram, and you guys were so freaking excited for me, as I am so excited for myself. I think my husband did such an amazing job with the space. He really outdid himself. I've always known he was really good at his craft, but I mean, just like seeing everything is just like more than I could think of and even like hope. So I hope that you guys like my room as much as I do. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you liked the most from my room. And if you guys don't mind sharing this video, I would greatly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And without further, let's see my beauty room. Okay guys, welcome to my beauty room. So this is an overview of the room. This was all hand built by my husband. Let's start off with the table. I will be inserting before and after pictures, yes. And this table right here, he built himself, and this was inspired by a picture on Pinterest. And he did a really good job on the table, if I do say so myself. It is pretty clean obviously right now because I haven't used it, but I am planning on putting a reflector and then obviously my mirror, but I just wanted you guys to get the, you know, the whole look. And then right over here where you see this board, that actually used to be concrete, and he covered it because it just like looked horrible. That's like my picture camera where I take all my pictures. Well, not all of them, but you know, some of them. And I'm charging it. So this wall looked horrible. You'll see pictures, and he put all new siding or whatever it's called. It's not called siding, it's called something else. Okay. And then he added this wall right here. And I did ask you on Instagram what you wanted my background to look like, and a lot of you gave me some good suggestions, but I know that a lot of you liked my lipsticks in my last room, so I wanted to kind of bring that back. And this is really close together because I only have limited space when I'm filming that you can see. So I might add extra things later on, but you may not be able to see them in videos. And then these are the signs that I've always had in my background, but maybe you haven't been able to see, and you probably still won't be able to see. We tried to put the shelves really low so that you're able to see some of it. We'll see. And then this is another wall that he obviously put, and this wall I wanted it for like a separate background, something different, in case like you guys get, you know, kind of annoyed of this side. There's this side These flowers, my friend makes them and she sells them. I will have her Instagram link down below in case you guys want to slide in her DMs. But she does a really, really good job. And my favorite color is purple. And I really wanted the deeper purple, but I felt like it wasn't very feminine for a beauty room. So I asked her for lilac, but then she came up with this concept and I loved it. They do come with leaves, but I just haven't added the leaves because I ran out of sticky tape, but you'll see them eventually. So that is this side. And my husband was so kind and he actually surprised me with this chair. I've never had my own beauty chair. So I was like so shocked and I was so happy. He did so good on the chair. I feel like it looks so chic and feminine and just like perfect for this space. And I like that it's not pink because he knows that like that's not my thing, but it's so beautiful. And I also like that it doesn't have armrests just because it's going to be bumping into, you know, this side and it's just going to drive me nuts. So great minds think alike. And then moving on to this side over here. This I already had in my last room. This was actually the first like storage that I ever had. My husband actually got this for me and I do get a lot of comments asking me where I got it, and I'm pretty sure he got it at Michael's. If I find it, I will link it down below. And then those are two Alex drawers that I got at IKEA. I do need to get another one, but I just haven't had the time. And then I got myself a curtain, very nice. And the curtain actually matches my chair perfectly. And guys, like this window treatment here is so beautiful. My husband surprised me. I didn't think he was gonna go all out. I wish I could show you guys more, but you know, privacy or whatnot. But it is seriously so freaking beautiful. If you guys saw the before, hopefully I have a picture and I can insert it so you guys can see it. But it's stunning, like stunning. And the curtain is from Target. And let me show you guys two of my favorite drawers. The first one, Anastasia palettes. Basically, pretty much a lot of her palettes I buy. I still need to get the Jackie Aina palette, but I just haven't gotten around to it. Some of these you can already find at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. So keep that in mind. And then this is another favorite drawer. Like, who needs all of these foundations? Not me. But I love finding, I love buying foundations and testing them out. So this just keeps on growing. I'm not going to show you guys every drawer because boring. But I wanted to show you guys that drawer. And I will show you this drawer, which I showed you guys in my shop video, and the nudes. When he asks you to send him nudes, that's what you send them, girls and boys. That is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys liked my space. If you guys have any questions or you want to see anything in particular close up, I'm more than happy to show you guys on Instagram. Just leave me a comment down below and I can do that. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, especially for my husband. Leave a comment down below and please share the video because it really helps with the channel. And I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.